Okay, Google, turn on air purifier.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Dust, airborne bacteria, kitchen smoke, food odors, second-hand smoke, furniture released harmful gases, and viruses. Introducing Me Air Purifier 3H. Open the filter compartment. Press the buckle to open the filter compartment and make sure the filter is installed correctly. Move the power cord package. And close the filter compartment. Connect the power to the connector at the bottom of the purifier and then plug it into an outlet. Me Air Purifier 3H can be monitored and controlled right at your fingertips using the Me Home app on your phone. There are different modes that you could try. Auto mode, night mode, fan speed, set it to low, medium, or high speed. And manual. The tri-colored light ring quickly tells you the quality of the air in the room. Okay, Google, turn on air purifier. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.